easily do and register. I hope it was very useful for all the people who are attending the session. Now we quickly move on to the beneficiary video. So after that, we'll have our Stand Up India beneficiary speak about the loan, how she procured. Thank you so much. And it was something very nice, even though we are getting delayed, lovely music we heard. And I hope all of you might have noticed. Kavana Mayu says, thank you, Kove, for the insight of availing loan. Now you all know why we have invited you for this session. I hope it makes sense, each one of you, for attending the session. And you all can definitely, I would like to see more thanks to Kove. Okay, and it's a great pleasure to introduce Kavana Mayur, who is our own treasurer for Kove Karnataka chapter. This is about Kove relation to her. And here I want to tell about her profession, that she is the founder and CEO at Deco Tales, co-founder and AMD at Rainbow Careers India. And she is an engineer, engineering diploma from Bangalore, and she is a first generation entrepreneur. Before becoming an entrepreneur, she worked as an HR and employee engagement lead in a top MNC of India. And her entrepreneur journey started in the year of 2015 April, when she was along with Mr. Mayur founded Rainbow Rainbow Careers India with an aim to provide jobs to unemployed. Rainbow Careers India has conducted job fairs even in remote district of Karnataka to make a way for the rural youth to get employed, and is still continuing to organize jobs. And they have conducted India's first and only women's mega skill and job fair, which is very much needed to empower women and support them to get them job. This was done in the year of 2019 in Jainagar 4th block, Bangalore, and they have plans of coming up with lot more mega job fairs and skill fairs like this across India. And I wish them all the very best for this. And our passion for homes and interiors and designs made us start her flagship interior designing company, Deco Tales. In the year of 2016 to till date, Deco Tales has completed 100 plus projects. Quite a big number, Kavna. Applauds to you. Across Bangalore, working with house owners to design dream homes. Deco Tales was awarded the Most Trusted Interior Design Award by Ace Business 2020, held in Bangalore. I think it is one of the biggest name. Ace is a very big center. To actually getting an award by them is quite a big recognition, I should say. And this Women's Day 2021, she was awarded as an Women Achiever Award in Business Excellency category from a prestigious award conducted in Bangalore. Apart from this, she is, of course, I mentioned the treasurer of Confederation of Women Entrepreneurs, that is Kove Karnataka chapter. And she's been part of a lot of women empowering programs, which includes EDP for budding entrepreneurs. Over to Kavana Mayur. We would like to hear about your insight on how you have built the loan, and a little more, a lot of light you throw. It would be great for our.
Thank you so much, Gayatri, for the wonderful introduction. So as you all know, I'm Kavana Mayur. Rainbow was something that we were doing, I was doing with my husband. When I wanted to do something on my own and create an identity, there came an opportunity to start a retail business. I took it up, and it was into a mattress industry. I was a women dealer, only women dealer, I would say, first only women dealer who was in the mattress industry. In the matter of 6 months, I achieved sales where I was recognized as the top 5 dealers in Karnataka, and I was awarded by Peps Mattresses. And after that, I got my own car. Why I wanted to say this is something that you get right from the efforts that you put in will always boost your confidence. So that is something that I boosted my confidence, and I wanted to do something else. Like I wanted to dream big, get into interiors, because that was my passion. I learned a lot on my own interest, and I was lucky enough to have a mentor in the same industry who is none other than my brother. I learned a lot insights about how it is done, and the manufacturing, the production, which interested in me a lot. Then I started working more on it, and I got my first interior project, which was not easy. But then with the kind of aggression I had, I wanted to do this. I went ahead and took my first interior project. I put in a lot of efforts. I learned a lot through the experiences. And after this, when we were doing all these things, I got an idea of starting my own manufacturing unit. Why not? A woman can have her own manufacturing unit in manufacturing modular furnitures. Then I got a lot of education from COVE. Since I was part of COVE, they had conducted a SIDBI event where I got to know more about loans, which was specially given for women without collateral. Then I went ahead and approached a bank, but then my loan didn't go through, and I was left with no reason. Then I sat with my CA. CA here plays a very important role. So you'll have to sit with your CA, work on your project report. You need to work on your projections, how you're going to plan, what is your marketing strategies. Then with all the details, I went to Mr. Madhusudan Reddy, who is in Canara Bank, since I was banking with them from a couple of years. So he gave us one assurance that yes, you can do it. So I am there, you can go ahead and make the preparations. Then I did a research on the machineries and all. I got all the 4 machineries that were important for having the complete setup of a factory. Then I got about 45 lakhs of loan without collateral, and also OD to have my working capital running. All that I had was just a desire to start my own manufacturing unit. So with all the support, now I have a 2000 square feet area of experience center in Jayanagar, and a 3500 square feet area of manufacturing unit in JP Nagar, which I feel is a great achievement for now. Yeah, I have a long way to go, but then for now, yeah, I feel more confident in taking up more projects. And it was a very, very smooth process. It is only because I had the confidence that I can do it. So this all happened with the tremendous support of my family, definitely. And also I would like to thank COVE for giving me a great platform where I met a lot of co-women entrepreneurs who are my friends now for lifetime. And I cherish them. I thank them more. And I have one mentor already in the group, and I have many more whom I am already doing business with them in COVE. The roadmap that I have for next 3 years is that I want to be the top 5 interior designers firm in India. And it is a long journey, but definitely I'll make it to that and see what I can do on it. So only one thing that is keeping me going always is a saying that when you have a burning desire to pursue something in life, just put your heart and soul into it. The entire universe will come together and make it happen. Just have faith and wait for the magic. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kavana. Your journey of taking the loan and your passion, which is drove to a new business, was really an inspiration, I should say. And I feel very happy that having our own members as motivational speaker and inspiration speaker, I call you as. And of course, it was very, very useful for all of us, and hope a lot of women will get inspired and they will try to take a bold step and take it forward. Of course, we are a little delayed, but I'm very thankful